Part 1. Introduction and Definition. Hi! Today we're going to learn about the past perfect continuous tense. We use the past perfect continuous to talk about an action that started in the past, continued for some time, and then stopped before another action in the past. So it's like saying something had been happening for a while before something else happened. Let's look at some examples. I had been studying English for 2 years before I moved to London. She had been cooking for an hour before the guests arrived. They had been playing football before it started to rain. Part 2. When do we use it? We use the past perfect continuous for 3 main situations. 1. To show how long something had been happening before another past action. Examples: she had been reading for 2 hours before she went to bed. They had been working all morning before lunch. 2. To explain the cause of something in the past. Examples: he was tired because he had been running. The ground was wet because it had been raining. 3. To describe repeated or continuous actions before another event. Examples: we had been trying to call you before you arrived. I had been thinking about that idea for a long time. So the past perfect continuous tells us how long or why something was happening before another past action. Part 3. Structure and how to form it. Now let's learn how to make the past perfect continuous. For positive sentences, we use subject, plus had been plus verbing. Examples: I had been reading. She had been sleeping. They had been working hard. And remember, we always use had for all subjects. I had, you had, he had, she had, we had, they had. Easy, right? Now, what if we want to say no? We just add not after had. Subject plus had not plus been plus verbing. Examples: I hadn't been studying before the test. They hadn't been working for long. Remember, had not is the long form and hadn't is the short form. Both are correct. Okay, let's ask some questions. We just switch had and the subject. Had plus subject plus been plus verbing. Let's try together. Had you been studying before the exam? No, I hadn't. Had they been waiting long? Yes, they had. Part 4. Spelling rules for ing. In this tense, we use the ing form of the verb. So, let's review the spelling rules quickly. For most verbs, just add ing. Play becomes playing. Read becomes reading. For verbs ending in e, drop the e and add ing. Make becomes making. Dance becomes dancing. For short verbs ending in consonant, plus vowel plus consonant, double the last letter and add ing. Run becomes running. Sit becomes sitting. For verbs ending in ie, change ie to y and add ing. Lie becomes lying. Die becomes dying. Part 5. Past perfect versus past perfect continuous. Let's look at the difference between the past perfect and the past perfect continuous. They look similar, but the meaning is a little different. The past perfect focuses on the result of an action. Example: I had finished my homework before dinner. Result: the homework was done. The past perfect continuous focuses on the duration or how long the action was happening. Example: I had been studying for 2 hours before dinner. Focus: how long I studied. Part 6. Practice time. Alright, time to practice. Fill in the blanks. 1. She had been studying for 2 hours before the exam. 2. I had been working all morning before lunch. 3. They hadn't been sleeping well before the trip. 4. Had you been playing football before it started to rain? 5. He had been running before he fell. Perfect. You're doing so well. Keep practicing and speaking English every day. See you next time with Maci, English for Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.